children, welcome to St. Clair online classes. Every day we learn IIT chemistry in 7th class. First unit basic terminology. Basic terminology, three concepts over. First concept what children? Terms in chemistry. Second concept difference between electropositivity and electronegativity. Next third concept. What is third concept children? Valency. Fourth concept oxidation numbers are oxidation states. Already we learned 11 rules. What is first rule children? The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. That is rule number 1. What is rule number 2 children? The oxidation number of elementary forms is always 0. That is rule number 2. Third rule number 3 what children? The oxidation number of alkali metals. Alkali metals mean first group elements, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium is always oxidation number +1. Next fourth rule, the oxidation number of alkali earth metals. The oxidation number of alkali earth metals means second group elements. In second group elements, oxidation number always +2. Rule number 5, the oxidation number of fluorine. Fluorine which group element? Halogen family. So fluorine oxidation number -1. Next rule, the oxidation number of general oxygen -2. General oxygen -2 except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides, ozonides. In oxyfluorides are two types: dioxydifluorides, oxyfluorides. In peroxides, oxidation number of oxygen -1. In superoxide, oxidation number -1/2. In oxyfluorides, dioxydifluoride, oxidation number of oxygen +1. In oxyfluoride, oxidation number of oxygen +2. Next, ozonides oxidation number -1/3. Next rule, the oxidation number of hydrogen +1 except metal hydrides hydrogen oxidation number -1. Next what rule children we learn? What next rule? The oxidation number of all elements equals to charge. In given compound, the oxidation number of all elements equals to charge. So many examples we learn: sulfate ion, carbonate ion, nitrate ion, and phosphate ion also. Next rule what children? The oxidation number of given compound, the oxidation number of given compound. Next what rule number? Before classes we learned the rule number 11. What is rule number 11 children? What is rule number 11? In given compound, same atoms exhibit different oxidation states. Same atoms exhibit different oxidation states. Rule number 11. Rule 11. Rule 11 what you learn? What is the in given compound, the oxidation number of same elements exhibit different oxidation states. What is example? I will do one mistake children here. See, verify. Here, the examples of rule number 11, Na2S2O3. Here, same atoms will be same atoms present in this compound. How many atoms? Same atoms, 2 atoms. Here first how many atoms is there? How many sulfurs is there? First sulfur. Here structure of Na2S2O3. This name hypo. Na2S2O3. So in this compound, same atoms exhibit different oxidation number. That time we will take average of the oxidation number. Average of the oxidation number. So this is structure of hypo. So as double bond OMA. I will forget before class O. I will forget, sorry children. So here one O is there. Na2S2O3. This is hypo. This compound, 2 sulfurs they exhibit different oxidation number. If this sulfur oxidation number +6. This sulfur oxidation number -2. This sulfur oxidation number +6. This sulfur oxidation number -2. Here what is valence? The combining capacity of an element is called valency. Here how many bonds is there children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sulfur exhibit more than 1 valency. Sulfur exhibit 2, 4, 6 valencies like that. So here sulfur -2. Why? Because here the efficiency is there. Sulfur non-metal. That's why here -2. Here +6. Sulfur stable. Here sulfur stable. That's why we take +6. Now we find the oxidation number of sulfur. We take oxidation number of sulfur. We will take average of the 2 oxidation states. So +6 -2/2. So here -4 plus 2 oxidation states. Here what is rule number 11? In given compound, same atoms have different exhibit different oxidation number. That time we will take the average of the oxidation numbers. The average of the oxidation number. Next example, what children will learn? Next example, what children? Bleaching powder, CaOCl2. CaOCl2. This is central atom. Here how many chlorine atoms is there? 2 chlorine atoms is there. But 2 chlorine atoms, different oxidation state. So here OCl, here OCl only. Here oxygen acts as metal, chlorine acts as non-metal. Here plus 2, minus 1. Here minus 1. So like this, chlorine plus 1. Here exhibit chlorine oxidation number plus 1. Here exhibit chlorine oxidation number minus 1. Oxygen minus 2. So now we will take average of the oxidation number of 2 chlorine atoms. Average of the oxidation. How we find oxidation number of chlorine? We will take average. Average of the oxidation number. So plus 1, first chlorine oxidation number plus 1, second chlorine oxidation number minus 1. So by 2. 1 cancel 0. So here oxidation number of chlorine 0. So rule number 11, what children? In given compound, same atoms have different oxidation states. So we will take the average of the oxidation number. This is rule number 11. Now we are discuss rule number 12. Rule number 12. Okay children, write down notes, listen properly, and do all sums also. Examples. Rule number 12. In rule number 12, in organic compounds, carbon oxidation number plus -4 to +4. Okay children, keep in your mind rule number 12. In organic compound, suppose we will take organic compound, carbon oxidation number -4 to +4. So examples of organic compounds, some organic compounds children, methane, acetic acid, benzene, next carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. We have so many examples. So first I will discuss find the oxidation number of carbon. First I will take methane. CH4. First example, methane. Methane means CH4. In this compound, we find the oxidation number of carbon. How is find? What is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number is always 0. The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to 0. So here, how many atoms is there? 1 carbon, 4 hydrogens. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. In carbon oxidation number, we will take find the carbon oxidation number. So as is I will write 4 into hydrogen. Which group element? First group element. In first group element oxidation number +1 equals to 0. So here plus C plus 4 1 4 equals to 0. Plus 4 change to right side, convert to -4. C equals to -4. In methane, carbon exhibit oxidation number -4. What is rule number 12 children? In organic compounds, carbon oxidation number -4 to +4. -4 to +4. First example 1 we have discussed CH4. In CH4, carbon oxidation number -4. Next example. Second example, carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. CCl4. In this compound, we find the oxidation number of carbon. How is find? What is rule number 1 children? The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to 0. Here how many atoms is there? 1 carbon, 4 chlorine. So C plus 4 into the oxidation number C plus 4 into chlorine oxidation number. Chlorine which group element? Halogen family. In halogen family, oxygen oxidation number -1. So 7th group. Chlorine 7th group. Chlorine non-metal. That's why group number -8. Group number 7. Chlorine group number 7 -8. So 7 minus 8 means -1. Chlorine oxidation number -1 equals to 0. Therefore, carbon -4 equals to 0. Here C equals to +4. In methane, carbon HBate oxidation number -4. In carbon tetrachloride, carbon HBate oxidation number +4. Okay, children. Now we have discussed third example. What is rule number 12? In organic compounds, carbon oxidation number -4 to +4. Carbon oxidation number -4 to +4. First example, those all are organic compounds. In first one, methane, find the oxidation number of carbon. In methane, carbon oxidation number -4. In carbon tetrachloride, carbon oxidation number +4. Okay, children. Now we have discussed third example. Third example, carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. CO means carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. So here in this compound, how many elements is there, children? 2 elements. What is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0. So in carbon monoxide, we have one carbon, one oxygen equals to 0. So here oxygen oxidation number -2 equals to 0. So carbon -2 equals to 0. -2 equals to 0. Therefore carbon equals to +2. So here in carbon monoxide, carbon HBate oxidation number +2. Carbon HBate oxidation number +2. Next, fourth example, those all are organic compounds. Next one, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, find the oxidation number. Find the oxidation number of carbon. How is find the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. That is rule number 1. Now apply rule number 1. C plus 2 into O equals to 0. So here you find the oxidation number of carbon. That's why we write C. C plus 2 into oxygen oxidation number we know. Oxygen oxidation number what, children? -2. -2 equals to 0. So here 2 to the 4, -4 equals to 0. Therefore carbon equals to +4. Here carbon monoxide, carbon HBate oxidation number +2. In carbon dioxide, carbon HBate oxidation number +4. Now before methane, carbon HBate oxidation number -4. Next second example, carbon tetrachloride. In carbon HBate oxidation number +4. Next we are discussing fifth example. Fifth example, acetic acid. With acetic acid. Acetic acid, one of the organic compound, CH3COOH. In this compound, acetic acid. In acetic acid, this is organic compound. How many elements is there here? 2 carbons, 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens. In this compound, find the oxidation number of carbon. How is find, children? Here how many carbons is there? What is rule number 1? In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. So here how many carbons is there, children? 2 carbons plus how many hydrogens is there? 3 plus 1. 3 hydrogens plus how many oxygens is there, children, here? 2 oxygens. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So here find the oxidation number of carbon. 2C like that. That's why we write as this carbon. Here hydrogen oxidation number, hydrogen first group element. The oxidation number of hydrogen +1 plus 2 into oxygen oxidation number -2 equals to 0. So here 2C plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4 equals to 0. So here 2C equals to here 2 2s are 4. How many oxygen 4 equals to 2c plus 3 minus 4 equals to 0. Here 2c equals to minus 1 equals to 0. Here carbon H8 plus 1 by 2 oxidation state. Okay, this is acetic acid, carbon H8 plus 1 by 2. So in organic compound exhibit oxidation number exhibit different type according to given compound. In acetic acid a carbon oxidation number plus 1 by 2. Next second glucose, we will take glucose formula C6H6. Glucose C6H6. Glucose, how many carbons is there, children? 2 carbons plus find the oxidation number of carbon. 6 hydrogens equals to 0. Here 2 carbon plus 6 hydrogen oxidation number plus 1 equals to 0. 2C plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore 2C equals to plus 6 sends to right side, convert to minus 6. Therefore C equals to minus 6 by 2. 2 1 are 2 3 are. In benzene carbon oxidation number minus 3. In acetic acid carbon oxidation number plus 1 by 2. In benzene carbon oxidation number minus 1 by 3. Next example, what is rule number 12? In organic compounds carbon oxidation number minus 4 to plus 4. Minus 4 to plus 4. In methane carbon oxidation number minus 4. Next carbon tetrachloride oxide carbon oxidation number plus 4. Next carbon monoxide carbon oxidation number plus 1 by 2. Next carbon dioxide oxidation number plus 2, like that. So next is 4 examples. Next fifth example. Example 5. 3 over 6 over 7. 7 example. Benzene over. Okay. What is rule number 12, children? In organic compounds carbon oxidation number minus 4 to plus 4. How many examples we learn? First one methane. Second example what, children? Carbon tetrachloride. Third example what, children? Carbon monoxide. Fourth example carbon dioxide. Fifth example acetic acid CH3COOH. Acetic acid. Next carbon monoxide acetic acid. I think I do one mistake. Acetic acid CH3COOH. CH3COOH. So here how many carbons is there, children? 2C plus how many hydrogens is there? 4 hydrogens plus how many oxygens is there, children? Here 2 oxygens. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So here 2 find the oxidation number of carbon plus 4 hydrogen plus 1 oxidation number minus 2 equals to 0. So 2 carbons plus 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4 equals to 0. So 4 to 4 to cancel. So here carbon oxidation number 0. Sorry children, before I will do one mistake. Acetic acid formula CH3COOH. In CH3COOH carbon oxidation number 0. Okay children, all of you write notes. Okay, acetic acid. Always find the oxidation number of acetic acid. In acetic acid in all organic compounds find the oxidation number of carbon. So here methane. We will learn methane also. We learn methane. Methane oxidation number carbon minus 4. In carbon tetrachloride oxidation number of carbon plus 4. In CO always find C plus carbon minus 2. So here CO oxidation carbon oxidation number plus 2. Here carbon oxidation number plus 4. Here carbon oxidation number minus 4. In methane, carbon H8 oxidation number minus 4. In carbon tetrachloride, carbon oxidation number plus 4. In carbon monoxide, carbon oxidation number plus 2. Carbon dioxide, how we find carbon dioxide oxidation number 2 into O equals to 0. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So here carbon, find the oxidation number carbon only, C plus 2 into oxide minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore C 2 to the 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore C equals to plus 4. So in carbon dioxide, carbon oxidation number plus 4. Carbon oxidation number plus 4. Fifth example, acetic acid. In acetic acid, carbon oxidation number 0. Acetic acid. Acetic acid, CH3COOH, formula of acetic acid. Those all are organic compounds. Those all are organic compounds. Next, what example next? Benzene, C6H6. C6H6. In C6H6, carbon oxidation number is find. The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. Here 6C plus 6 into hydrogen equals to 0. Apply rule number 1. In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. So here 6C plus 6 hydrogen oxidation number plus 1 equals to 0. Now find the carbon oxidation number. That's why we write carbon as it is. So here 6C plus 6 1 plus 6 equals to 0. So 6C equals to minus 6. C equals to minus 6 by 6. Here carbon oxidation number minus 1. Carbon oxidation number of benzene minus 1. So this is rule number 12. What is rule number 12 children? In organic compounds, carbon oxidation number minus 4 to plus 4. Those all are organic compounds. First methane. First one methane, oxidation number of carbon minus 4. Second example, carbon tetrachloride. In carbon tetrachloride, carbon oxidation number plus 4. In carbon monoxide, carbon oxidation number plus 2. In next carbon dioxide, in carbon oxidation number plus 4. Next acetic acid. Acetic acid also organic compounds. Those all are organic compounds. In acetic acid, carbon oxidation number 0. Next benzene, carbon oxidation number minus 1. Benzene. So here benzene C6H6. How is fine? So here sum of the oxidation number are. Sixth example benzene. Benzene carbon oxidation number minus 1. Okay children. 12 rules over. What is first rule children? The sum of the oxidation number of all children. The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. Rule number 1. What is rule number 2 children? What is rule number 2? The elementary forms H2N2, Cl2, Br2 always 0. The elementary forms of the oxidation number is always 0. Third rule, the alkali metals mean first group elements. The oxidation number of first group elements always plus 1. Fourth rule, the oxidation number of second group elements always plus 2. Next fifth rule. What is fifth rule? The oxidation number of hydrogen minus 1. Hydrogen minus 1 except metal hydride, hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. After how many rules over children? 12 rules. All of you read and write properly in your notes. I will send some bits. Do that bits children. Thank you. See you tomorrow.